I'm going through a serious meltdown again and again. This time it is about languages. So you guys must remember how I had shared the shift happening in Hindi from ki and kiya to kari and kara. Okay, I have started dealing with it lately, but this time this meltdown is coming from my mother tongue Marathi. This time it is about prepositions. Preposition is to and the languages are Hindi and Marathi. So this preposition to is used in Hindi primarily to define four things: a direction or destination, time, a recipient or maybe a target. For example, give this book to Nivedita. यह किताब निवेदिता को दे देना. So to is referred as को. Or go into the room, कमरे में जाओ. Or I'm going to office, मैं ऑफिस जा रही हूँ. Or I'm going to Mumbai, मैं मुंबई जा रही हूँ. Did you notice a slight difference here? Okay, so while stating the destination or direction, you miss the को here. So instead of saying मैं college को जा रही हूँ या मैं मुंबई को जा रही हूँ, you say मैं मुंबई जा रही हूँ. What happens to this preposition to when it is used in Marathi? It is used in the fourth case, that is the Chaturthi Vibhakti. The suffixes are sa, la, te. So you use sa, la or te when you use direction. In Marathi, we say मी कॉलेजला जाते or मी मुंबईला जाते. If you have seen some historical Marathi movies or Marathi serials, you would have noticed that the preposition used was sa. Like मी मुंबईस जाते or मी कॉलेजास जाते. But nowadays we primarily use it मी मुंबईला जाते or मी कॉलेजला जाते. So what is my meltdown actually about? Since we Marathi people are heavily influenced by Hindi language and the Maharashtra is taken over by Bollywood or all those things, the influence of Hindi is also happening in Marathi in case of this preposition to. So while speaking in Marathi, people are actually losing the preposition la as they speak. So it is happening as मी मुंबई जाते, मी ऑफिस जाते और मी कॉलेज जाते. How does it sound? Does it sound right or does it sound incomplete? Well, it is incomplete because the preposition does play a part here. The correct word should be college la, Mumbai la or office la. Well, I think I'll have to come to deal with all these shifts, or if I might say adulteration happening in all these regional languages. I think the major reason behind this is the current generation is not at all interested in learning the proper language. They are just okay with whatever way the language passes on. And this way, the next generation is also going to learn the incorrect languages. And this way, we are going to spoil our regional languages. Well, we still have time in our hands. Let's focus on learning the correct way of speaking. At least try that we speak correct language and pass on the correct language to next generation so that we preserve it for the longest time.